At Seca, we've made a promise. We're 100% dedicated to you. How many times have you heard that line? And doesn't every company that you deal with promise you that all the time? Well, let's be honest. Do you think they really mean it? Let me explain to you how Seca understands 100% dedicated to you. If your customer asks you questions outside of your comfort zone, for example about a complicated EMR integration project, we're here to jump right in and provide your customer with the exact information. It's still your deal. Let's say the staff at your customer's facility needs to be taught how to use a new device. Seca can do that for you. How many of our competitors will meet you at your client's facility to set up hundreds of devices? And if your customer isn't completely satisfied, we'll help find and facilitate a solution that allows you to be the hero that saved the day. And if all else fails, call Jake. He'll straighten it out for you. I dare you to name anybody who's as committed to you as we are. Professionally. I mean, not your romantic partner or your mother. That's not our business model. At least not yet. So, remember that 100% dedicated to you campaign? I have an idea for a new spin on that.